Please confirm that you can see my screen.
Not yet. Okay, I can see it now.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
So I was explaining the Keap part of the certification. It's a medium where you can earn up to $80,000 per year on an average, on the average, okay? And then I want to show it how you can earn $80,000 per year on giving the opportunity, and I'm so much grateful for it. That's why I'm able to do this, and I'm willing to share it with others because we are willing to extend this to others to benefit from it too. So let me go back. So I said there are 4 ways to partner with Keap. The first way is to be a Keap certified partner. If you're a Keap certified partner, you can use the calculator to look at the potential earning. We are going to do that as we go on. So one of the things you are going to have is, aside the money you're going to get from your clients, those who purchase Keap app, you will have the opportunity to earn 20 to 30% commission per app sales. So, and that is in perpetuity. That is, for every month that the app is being paid for, you are going to get 20 to 30% commission. So Keap is a CRM platform, that's customer relation management platform, which was established in year 2001. Okay, you also have the opportunity to expand your service offerings because you're going to have access to courses, you're going to have access to events, okay, that will help you build up if you're a Keap certified partner. You will enjoy excellent customer support. Keap customer support to be there for you 24/7. You're also going to have a regional regional manager who you can easily call at any time to explain if you have any problem or the order or any issue or the order. So you're also going to be able to join the Keap various groups, the Facebook and the other groups which are available, where you can ask direct questions, and then you will get response from experts, from Keap experts right today. So you can also go ahead and be a Keap influencer partner. So as a Keap influencer partner, what you are doing is you are putting Keap in front of the audience. You are not a certified partner. So basically you just earn commission. That is around the range of 20 to 30%. That's all. Then you can be a Keap referral partner. So you earn $250 for each referral that becomes a partner. So this is a one-time payment, unlike the Keap certified partner that is a recurring payment. The Keap certified partner, which is a recurring payment. For example, let's say you bring someone who purchased the Keap app and the person pays monthly, you are going to get commission monthly. That 20 to 30% will be monthly. But for the Keap referral partner, you are just going to get payment once, $250. That's once, okay? So imagine if you're able to do 4 of that in a month, that is $1,000, okay? So, and then you can be a Keap developer partner. So you want to build app for Keap, plugin, integration, if you're a developer, that's excellent for you. But here, I'm going to be focused on Keap certified partner. And let me say this, that on Saturday, we are going to have a meeting with a top customer representative from Keap, John Bernard, who will explain this in detail. And so this is just a forward to that meeting so that you know what is ahead. So one of the things I'd like to show people is that aside the 20 to 30% commission that you are going to have on each of the apps, and it's in perpetuity. Perpetuity means it's forever as far as the person is a Keap is using Keap platform. So if the person upgrades, you also have your commission increased. So let me go to the Keap, the calculator. If you come here, you will see Keap certified partner calculator. Now, on an average, a Keap partner would have like 24 clients in a year. That means you have 24 apps sold in a year within 12 months. Let's say 12, let's say 24. Let me put 24 there. 24, sorry, 24. Then average monthly cost of Keap application. So Keap has Keap Pro, there is Keap Max Edition, and then there's Keap Max Classic. So let's put $149, which is there. I'm still going to change shortly. And then for those who are in US, actually, this is the potential setup fee. So the average setup fee for most of the US clients you get will be $2,500. So all this money are going to be yours. And then for retainer, those people that you are still going to work with month in, month out, you can take an average of $300. So if you click on calculate, you are going to see that in a year, you will earn $159,000. Okay, but let's say, okay, fine, you are not in the US, or you are just starting out. Let me just say that you are just starting out, and people may not want to pay that much for you. Let's say you're able to get 12 in a year. And then let's put this average monthly cost of Keap at let me say the pro now, let's say 100. Okay, then the setup fee, instead of taking 2,500, you take 1,500. Okay, so you reduce your cost, and then the monthly retainer fee, you can take 200. That's not much. Then if you click on calculate, you find out that you earn $51,000 in a year. Okay, that is will be your average earnings. Okay, so aside this is just the general calculation that is available to the public. I'm going to go ahead and show you from my portal some few things which you cannot have access to unless you are a certified partner. Okay, but before I do that, I'll quickly show you some success stories and share this with you. It's available for the public. You can see so many persons who have used Keap, and at the end, I'm going to take your questions. If you have any question, there won't be a problem. Okay, so you will find out that so many people have been able to use this medium to raise the business revenue. In fact, one of the best Keap partners actually earn not less than 7 figures. I mean, 7 figures in a year. Know what that means in dollars. So that's a very great opportunity. Everyone in Nigeria, so you can have that opportunity. Now, I'm showing you this from my partner portal. Okay, for my partner portal, which is not available to the public, I'm just showing you this as a bonus. You will find out that there's partner, what we call partner incentives, incentive, and we have it at different stages. For example, we have the elites, we have the core, we have the base, we have the emerging. Let's say no sales in the previous 2 months, then you have a sale. You are going to get $200 bonus per app sale. So that means aside from your 20 to 30% commission that you get per app sale for each month, aside from the calculated earnings that we have done, which you can earn at least up to $51,000, you can earn more. Okay, so you also get $200 bonus per app sale. Okay, so if we move on to the base, it increases. and it goes on like that. And there are some things I can't explain for now. For example, where you see 5% MDF or paid out $50 per month, M1 to M4. Those will be the details which we explain to you if you make yourself available on Saturday for that meeting. Okay, resources, a whole lot of them. You can go ahead and note more, details about what's going on, and then you, there's a whole lot of things you can have access to. To is to sign up for this certification. If you say, okay, fine, I don't know anything about CRM, yes, that's why we are here to guide you. We are going to guide you through the process of the certification and ensure that you are able to do everything needed for this certification. So once you get the certification, you can start with your marketing. The marketing medium also will be provided for you. Then you can start having your earnings. So that's just the basic explanation. So do you have any question? It's very good.
I don't have questions.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So with this,
Do I have is there any payment for registration or it's free?
yes, there is
Okay,
payment.
like how much?
It's not free. Okay, but because when you hear about $50,000, you hear about $200 per month, 250, 20-30% commission. So it's not free. Okay. Actually,
So how much is for the
it
registration?
is $1,500 for the certification. It's
For the
$1,500,
registration.
yes, for payment for the certification. But during
Is
this
it
period,
legit? Hope it's not scam.
no. You can check. You can. That's why I put you through this detail. You can go ahead on your own, go to Google and check out. Look at this. Keap. I can send you the details too. This is
You say
keap.com. Okay, so just go and check Keap online. You get details about it. Get details about currency who is Plate Max. So you can check on social media platform. Check on Facebook. Check on the
you
check
should have an idea.
YouTube. So just check
Right.
out, you find out. That's what I'm showing you directly. This so you know it's not a scam. So it's $1,500, but we are reducing the price for those who from Nigeria currently now. So if you are here for this opportunity on Saturday, the price is reduced to $500. $500. So that been reduced $500. That's why I'm putting out this opportunity that you can quickly make use of this opportunity to get a certification. Okay, so and there are also some very other important things. For example, there's what you can do to get $1,000 per referral, and that will be explained during the meeting. So I don't want you to miss, like, if you're able to refer one person for that particular Keap program, you're going to get $1,000. So that means you already cover your certification. That already cover twice the payment you made for certification, and that will be revealed to you on Saturday when we meet. Okay, so I don't think $500 is something that's too much to put into something that you're going to be expecting.
But is it like online trade or what?
So it's a CRM platform. CRM to grow. Keap helps small businesses to grow. Okay. Keap is focused on helping small business to automate the process to help them grow. So what you are going to be doing is that you'll be helping people who have businesses, to you'll be helping them to grow using Keap as a platform.
Maybe by 5 today.
No, not today. Today is going to be on Saturday. Saturday by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. It's going to be 5 p.m. Nigerian time. That's when the meeting starts. So immediately now, I'm going to send you the link for you to register right away. You can also share it with your friend. Registration for the Saturday meeting is absolutely free. Okay, it's free of charge. You just come there and then hear for yourself. Okay, so it's absolutely free of charge. You don't have to pay any amount for that at all. To help me to also share it with your friends, to tell them about this opportunity, tell them about if they have any question, let them come to me and tell me, okay, this I have these questions, I have that questions. I'm going to explain to them in detail, and I'm going to share it with them. Hello, I'm with you.
Yeah, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Like I disconnected unknowingly to me, so I have to connect back.
Okay, very good. I said, while you were away, I said that I would like you to uh, help me share this with your friends.
I
If
to
they
create
have,
that awareness for my
yes,
friends.
yes. If they have any questions about Keap, I can answer the questions and also give them
Well, one of people, sorry to cut you short, one of people that doesn't have dollars accounts, how will they get that money?
okay, there are various ways in which you can get payment from Keap, and that will also be explained on Saturday too. Okay. So for example, I'm a
Okay.
certified partner from Nigeria, okay, and I have ways in which I get my payment. So that means it's something that has been done and it's possible for everyone to. So thank you so much for your time. I really
You're
appreciate
welcome.
you taking part this time to learn more about this great opportunity.
Thank you so much. Yeah.